Morning students, we are in the second unit, chapter 5, Python variables and operators. Last class we have seen introduction of Python programming language, key features of Python and programming in Python. Do you all remember what are the two ways to write a Python program? Interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode work as a calculator. We need not to save programs. After we are writing the code, we will get the output immediately. And another way of writing program in Python is script mode. We have to write a code in a file. We have to save it with the extension .py. This is the way to save a file. Choose a file menu and click the save option or press Ctrl+S. It is a shortcut key to save a program. After we get the save as dialog box, we have to enter the name of a file. .py is an extension to save a program into a Python file. Is it clear? Today we are going to learn input and output function, comments in Python and indentation. Let's see one by one. Let's see about input function. Input function is used to accept data as input at runtime. Input function takes whatever is typed from the keyboard and stores the entered data in the given variable. Have you all remembered how do we get input in the C++ program? We use cin keyword and extraction operator. Two greater than operator we use for input. Have you all remembered that? Like that, if you want to get data, that means if you want to get variables, we have to use input function in Python programming. Look at the syntax for input function. Variable name equal to input is a keyword. Within the bracket, we have to give a string. Let's see with example, it will be clear. Look at the example for input function. Can you say which mode we used to write this program? A prompt is used here. That is 3 greater than symbol we have used for interactive mode. So this program written in an interactive mode way. Remember the syntax for input function. First we have to specify the name of the variable and then write keyword input. Within the bracket we have to give string. If a name of a variable is a, means a equal to. Then here city is the name of a variable, input is a keyword. Within the bracket we have entered, enter your city. So after this statement the output will be appear like this, enter your city. It accepts data, we have to give Madurai through the keyboard as an input. Is it clear? After getting the input we use print function. I am from is given within the double quotes, so it will be printed I am from, then city. What is the value of city now? We have entered Madurai as a value for city, so it will be printed. Is it clear? This input function accepts data only from string and character. Have you all remember what is string and character? They are alphabets. If it is a single alphabet, we call it as character. If it is multiple letters, that means words or sentences, sequence of characters is called string. Input function accepts string and characters alone. If we want to get integer numbers as an input, we have to specify another function called int function. So int and input function, both function we have to use to get integer as an input. Let's see the example. X equal to int bracket of input and then one more bracket, enter number 1 colon, close the bracket. You have to close the bracket again because there are two opening brackets, so we must close two brackets. So this int function helps to get integer as an input. Let's see the another example. Y equal to int bracket of input bracket of enter number 2. Enclose the double quotes and then close with two brackets. Prints function, within the bracket we have to include the sum equal to as a string, then comma x plus y. Here the value of x and y will be added here. So this int and input function is used to get data like in C++ programming. So after we write the function, it asks to enter a number as an input. So enter number 1 will be printed. 34 you have to type through the keyboard. After that enter number 2 will be printed. You have to type 56 through the keyboard as an input. After that the sum equal to will be printed. Adding 34 plus 56, 90 will be printed as a output for print function.